All right, GFRIEND Summer Rain. Oh, this one's different. I like these piano intros. They all... Oh, it's like a more of a hip-hop beat. Oh, we're back to the overexposed look, right? Ooh, I like that effect in the back. Have they used that house in one of their previous music videos? So one thing I'm noticing about this one is there's not nearly as much dancing. A lot more acting. Yeah, not nearly as much dancing, much more singing. So is there a dance video for this one? I mean, I'm gonna check after this, but... I like that background effect. And the dancing themselves isn't as complex as the other ones. It's interesting how they like this style of a lot of it being blurred. See, the top right is blurred, or the whole right. I know it's bokeh, but it's a lot of bokeh. You notice the whole left side is completely blurred out? You okay? I think she likes it. Is it diaper time? Okay. So what I learned about this one is really different. Lot less dancing in this one. A lot less dancing in this one, and the dances that they did have were a lot simpler. So that was kind of fascinating. Bokeh was like kind of all over the place, like it kind of always is. What else? It wasn't overexposed, but it was like just that bokeh and that focus was all over the place. Anyways, definitely kind of different. It kind of starts off with that hip hop beat and changes really fast, but really different than the last two or three. So I find that transition pretty interesting. Normally, what I've seen in like other like J-pop stars is that they'll like it'll be like a whole full-on hip-hop song. You know, they'll do one like that, or they kind of just change drastically. You know, just kind of show that they can do other genres. So one thing I haven't really seen, and I don't really think much K-pop girl bands do this, is like ballads and stuff like that. I mean, I guess a ballad's kind of hard to do with a lot of people, but I mean, that's something they don't really do that I think would be interesting, or more of a like hardcore only dance based thing would be kind of cool. And when I say that, I mean more like a hip hop kind of feel. I don't know. That's kind of what's going through my head. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe here. Check out more not Girls' Generation. I want to say Girls' Generation so bad all the time. GFRIEND here, and whatever else goes up there goes up there. Thank you very much again. Sorry, my baby cried, and I'll see you in the next video.